back with Eccentric Nature, and I got a surprise herb haul today because I went down to the farmer's market and they had some herbs on sale, and they're ones that I don't have already, and I've been wanting to get some of these ones, so let's go through them. First off, I actually have a rosemary going, but this is another rosemary. This is the Blue Lagoon rosemary. Ooh, fun. So I'm going to replant all these guys into some proper little ones here. And this is just a common hyssop. Hyssop! So here we got the lemon balm. And I've been wanting to get a lemon one. The lemon balm I haven't been able to get the fresh one. I've been wanting to do that because I've been able to get the fresh lemongrass, but not this. And the one I've been actually wanting to get the most is this guy here, is the marjoram, a fresh marjoram. Because I did a dry marjoram tea and it was lame. So I'm hoping the fresh will be a lot better. We're going to give this a shot real soon in my tea. And then I got a couple mints. I have a couple mints already growing, but this is a Spanish mint. Lovely Spanish mint. And a spearmint. So I've got peppermint going. I'm going to do some chocolate mint, but spearmint. Woohoo! So now what I'm going to do is just a really quick replanting on these guys. So here they all are, lined up next to my lily and the rosemary. Ooh, and bam, bam. Now I'm gonna have to wrap this up pretty fast because the birds over there in the tree, if you can see them or not, are getting a little antsy and wanting to come get their dinner, which I have hanging up here. Okay, I figured just to wrap this video up really quick, I'd come inside because it's windy and cold out there and I didn't want to be out there any longer. And I also figured I'd do a couple quick shout-outs, woo! And I wrote them down because in my brain it probably would have flew one of these out of my head. So first off, we've got Celeste's Nest. Really cool gal who's been supporting me very well. Thank you, Celeste. I appreciate it. You are awesome. GEEKY Garden. I just love the name. He's got some cool videos too, but the name, I would have stolen this name if I had a garden probably. Not just an indoor garden. I would probably call myself GEEKY Indoor Garden instead of Eccentric Nature. But yeah, GEEKY Gardens. AJ's Green Topics. He's been really awesome and commenting on all my stuff recently and giving me lots of support. So thank you, AJ. Woo! Love you. And finally, the Green Dream Project. These guys are awesome. They're out in Arizona, I believe. And they just started doing this really cool Rammed Earth project. It's going to be a whole series apparently, and they just did part 1 the other day. So go check it out. It's really cool. I hadn't actually heard much about Rammed Earth before, so it was really interesting getting introduced to that. And we'll put up a link and stuff, of course, to the first video. But otherwise, that's it for today. This was just a whole quick impromptu thing because I went, ooh, herbs! And I went crazy. And that's how I do when I roll into herbs. So I'm excited to see how they do, and I'm sure you'll see each and every one of these show up in a tea very soon as well. Until next time, though, take care of each other and enjoy your herbs.